Tomato prices are surging yet again. A few markets in Maharashtra, Andhra, Tamil Nadu have reported prices touching 100 rupees per kilogram once again. In our ongoing series, What's Ailing Rural India, CNBC TV 18 Santya Gora reports that with extensive crop damage due to adverse weather conditions, the pain may just be starting for both consumers and for farmers. Take a look.
46-year-old Ganesh Gavde from Yedgaon village in Maharashtra's Pune district is in a fix. The tomatoes he sowed on his 6-acre farm have suffered extensive damage. Gavde says it's the worst he's seen in his over 30 years growing the crop, and he doesn't know how much of the 12 lakh rupees he spent on cultivating the crop will be recovered.
6 एकड़ में टमाटर लगा है, लेकिन गर्मी की वजह से वो पेड़ नहीं बन रहा है, इसलिए उसका खर्चा ये साल तो नहीं निकलने वाला है। हर साल हम प्रोडक्शन बता सकते थे, हमारा इतना प्रोडक्शन आएगा, लेकिन ये साल तो हम प्रोडक्शन ही नहीं बता रहे।
Gavde is just one of thousands of farmers in the region who say their summer tomato crop, which is usually sown between late March and early April, may be a complete write-off.
टेम्परेचर की वजह से प्रोडक्शन 50% भी नहीं मिला।
क्या हुआ, अभी वो हीट की वजह से कुछ माल कम निकल रहा है। कितना भी बाजार बढ़ गया तो कुछ वो भांडवल बहुत लगता है, कॉस्ट बहुत लगती है, इसलिए कुछ फायदा नहीं होता है।
ये मंडी दिन भर चलती थी, दिन भर नहीं चल रही है, 2 घंटे में खत्म हो जाती। माल ही नहीं आ रहा मंडी में, इसका मतलब है कि उत्पादन ही कम हो गया है।
What's hurting more is that this is the second year in a row that crop damage has caused a serious shortage of tomatoes. Last year, the Kharif crop took a hit due to heavy rains that led to flooding in northern belts and fungal diseases and insect infestations in the southern cultivational areas. This year too, adverse weather conditions have hurt the summer tomato crop, which accounts for 18% of total annual production.
In May, we had scattered rainfall, and all of this led to infestation of thrips, leaf curl, as well as whitefly, and specifically in Karnataka and Maharashtra. And that's what has led to this decline in productivity. And we're seeing that manifest in the arrivals. If you look at the arrivals in June, they are 40% lower on year.
Experts say that the situation is dire because India is the second largest producer of tomatoes in the world, and most of the produce is consumed domestically. This shortage has already sent tomato prices surging once again. In a few markets in states including Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, prices have hit 100 rupees per kilogram.
We'll not go in for kilos or dai kilo and all that, but we'll buy in a smaller quantity. But somehow we have to make our ends meet, right? We cannot do without the tomatoes.
Farmers in Maharashtra hope the centre and state government will help them through this second consecutive year of crop damage. But at that, so far, there has been no outreach from the authorities. Usually, a fresh harvest of Kharif tomatoes hits the markets by late July or early August. This mitigates the rise in tomato prices that usually accompanies the monsoon. However, that's not the case this year because the delay in the monsoon's progression has led to a delay in the sowing of Kharif crops, including tomatoes. Add to the fact that much of the summer crop was destroyed by intense heat, and the much-needed respite in the tomato prices is likely to be delayed. Worse, the prices could increase further in the short term. In Narayangaon, with camera person Swapnil Bandekar, this is Santya for CNBC TV 18.
All right, that's definitely not good news for tackling food inflation, Sonia. But let's